Hello, Paul Hamilton here. Wanted to show you, we've been really focusing on Keynote and some of the new iOS iWorks tools, in Keynote and Pages and so forth. Wanted to show you this. As you know, I'm really a big advocate for visible thinking and thinking routines. And so what I've done here is I've taken some screenshots of different things that was in the newspaper today, and then I've tried to connect them with the things that maybe if I digged a little bit deeper, what are the kind of the metaphors or the analogies that we could kind of use through symbols and visuals that we could use for that. So you can see here, we've got an entrepreneur that's just got a brand new idea about something and is actually doing some great things with innovation. We've got Ben Simmons here, who's doing great things as an Aussie rookie. He's kind of the jewel in the crown, I guess, at the moment. And then we've got some other kind of symbols there. And as you know, I haven't done it yet, but what you could do with each of these is you could actually go into some of the different tool sets that we could actually use. So you could actually bring in a new record audio setting and actually do a little bit of an explanation of why you've chosen that different symbol for that actual news item for the day. So now that we've got record audio, kids can actually do some audio recordings, or they might just do some text and actually justify their selection of the shape with just a traditional kind of text response as well as the audio recording there. So this is just a great way of using some of the new tools in iWorks to build on some of the things that we've been talking about in the last couple of years about great thinking routines in the classroom. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.